channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Your girl has her hot cocoa right now. It's pretty cold outside today, so I want to start off my day with some hot chocolate. I have this cute cup. It says hello gorgeous. Now you guys know this pink and gold color is what I'm going for with my bedroom, and I ordered a painting to go over my bed. As you guys can see right now, the room just looks like it needs to be filled up a little bit more, and I found this really cute painting that I did not know how it would look. I told myself with decorating my place, I'm going to stop just ordering a lot of things at one time, because you got to really see how things work in the room, what it looks like, do the colors match, because sometimes things can be off a little bit. All right, so I hope you guys are excited to see the piece that I ordered to go above the bed. I've been waiting for this to be delivered, so let me go ahead and put it up so you guys can see. Let's put up these pieces. Okay, I'm gonna bring some. Let's see. So we can see how they would look. Ooh, what y'all thinking already? What y'all thinking so far? Do I have them right? Okay, let me get down. Ooh, what are we thinking? Okay, so when I took a photo, this pink did not look like it matched that pink. So I was wondering about that. Let me see. Let me get off y'all way so you can see. Okay, so let me tell you my thoughts about this piece. I love abstract. If I do get a painting, I do tend to go in the more abstract, like painted, slapped on, and I love all the colors on this. I feel like all these colors are the colors that I want to go for with this room. I feel like it ties in the headboard. You have the little bit of pink on my bed. When it comes to my bedding and just this whole setup, I'm wondering, do I want to paint this wall a cream color and then get cream bedding with the light pink? Of course at this point it'd be tweaks. And then the nightstands. Do I like the nightstands with this piece? So I know this room is carpeted, but definitely could get a rug in here as well. So let me know in the comment section, what are your initial thoughts on this painting in the room without it being put up? I definitely think it's really cute, really girly. Goes with the headboard really well. I definitely feel like it fills up that empty space, which what you saw when I first came on camera was just kind of empty in here, and now you have this whole, you know, painting there. It just feels like it looks perfect there. Definitely needed a painting right there. I'm so happy I decided to get a painting to go right here because it looks perfect. Yes, I think it's cute. All right guys, so I know you saw the chair over here. This is my beauty station, and I do my makeup here. I sit here, I get ready here, and I wanted this area to be really cute behind me. So what do you guys feel like this looks like with the painting behind me and me doing my makeup and chatting with you guys in this area? Definitely girly. I feel like the only thing is, if I'm wearing like some loud colors, maybe I will clash with my bedroom. But like, am I trying to make my bedroom go with every outfit and every makeup look? Or am I just trying to have a cute bedroom? Jayla, what are you doing? Don't mind me guys, I'm just sitting here trying to get a vibe for this painting and background. I think for me to possibly want to change my room and colors in the next 6 to 12 months, I feel like we should go with this painting and just finish off the room with a rug and accessories, whether I'm doing the cream color wall, accent pink wall over here, or whatever. I definitely feel like let's go ahead and fully decorate this room with this theme. I like it. What's wrong with me? Hey Harlem, what do you think about the painting, Harlem? What do you think about the painting, Harlem? You think it's cute and girly for mommy? Guys, it's so lit. Let me tell you what I just found out. So in the next 24 hours, I will be leaving out the country with a brand. I'm super excited. I didn't think that I was going to be doing any travel for the month of February, but look at that, we're on the go again. So basically I had to schedule an appointment to get tested for COVID. On this trip, I'm going to have to be tested to get on the flight, tested upon arrival, and then tested when I leave to get back to the United States. But you know, let's do it. I am super excited. I love traveling. You guys already know that. So we're on the go again. I did order some things from Pretty Little Thing. I thought we would test out my bedroom setup, and I can show you some things that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I did not buy swimsuit pieces and stuff like that because I didn't think that I was going to be traveling. But you know, I did get things from Pretty Little Thing, so let me show you what I got from there. Oh, what did I get? Harlem. Mommy got shoes. Okay. Of course, heels. I got this heel that looks like this. It's a pointy toe. Assuming that I bought all of these things for Valentine's Day and none of my things came. Like, I have so many packages that didn't come, so I think that's why I opted for a self-care Sunday, because none of the outfits I wanted to wear came. Okay, so these are another pair of black heels, but let me tell you, I don't have that many black heels, and I feel like I was wearing the same black heels with everything, and I wear black all the time. So I just was like, girl, get a few different pair of black heels that can go with different looks. So I got this like basic black strappy heel, like nothing crazy. I didn't want the one, like I have a pair like this that like you have to tie up your leg. Ugh, takes too long, don't even feel like it no more. So this just like goes around like this. Very simple strappy black heel. I know these are not black too. Jayla. Oh, these are cute though. It is a silver heel. I'm super surprised I did this because normally I'll do like gold, but definitely need a heel with silver on it instead of like the gold. I know the strap is not gold. Make this make sense, y'all. I need y'all to help me make this make sense. Look. So the heel is silver, but the strap is gold. Jesus. But either way, cute. Straps around like this. I really did need black heels. Don't judge me. The last pair of heels are black. These have thicker straps and it's a box toe. Let me take all the paper off. Okay, so this is what this black heel looks like. The heel is a little bit thicker. They have bigger buckles on them, and then they have a box toe. Any girl that loves fashion and loves putting together different looks knows that all four of these shoes look different. They go with different outfits. They're not the same, and I needed all four of them because maybe I want a thinner strap. Maybe the outfit I need needs a thinner strap. Or maybe the outfit can be more with the thicker strap and the gold buckles. Or maybe I needed to go more so with silver and not gold. Or maybe I'm mixing metals that night. Or maybe it's a more classy shoe. Or maybe it's, you know, just you need a simple strap. Not too much, it could just be regular. Hopefully these are comfortable, because if they're just regular comfortable, then, you know, maybe an outfit that you're not really seeing the shoe, you'll go for this versus more like the skinny heel, because maybe the skinny heel hurts a little bit more. You know, you never know. Or other story, they're all different. They can be used for different occasions and different outfits. All right, so as far as clothing pieces, I'm for sure going to do a return to Pretty Little Thing. Just some pieces that, you know, the quality, I was like, don't really care for it, or the fit, or yeah. So I did get a few things though. I got this gray colored robe. I'm really into robes and walking around the house, really cute. So it's this satin light gray robe. Thought that was really cute. The next thing that I got are these pants. They're in this tan color. What I really liked about it is they have these cutouts on the back, so I guess you get to see some of your like hip area. They should fit high-waisted. Like, it looks like it has a bra on it. I don't know why I got this piece, but I'm definitely for sure that I can make it look cute. And yeah, I'm gonna have to try it on. But those are the pieces. I did have some other pieces that I didn't really care for. But yeah, those are all the pieces that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Right now, I'm about to go to the nail shop and get my nails trimmed down. I was doing the long nail thing. I decided that would be my Valentine's Day nail set, just to try long nails. I've never had long nails like this before. I think they're cute. Definitely hard to maneuver. They're like a different language. I did already break a nail, not literally like it's broken, but one is like lifting and it hurts. So I did try the long nail thing. I think that I'm just like, I drop my phone all the time. I'm like moving fast all the time. I don't think that long nails are literally for me. But I think they're cute, but I just think they're a lot for me. So I'm gonna go to the nail shop, get these cut down. I do like having my white nails, so my nails will stay white. It's just, you know, the claws will be gone. So I'm about to do that. And I already contacted Harlem's dog sitter. So Harlem is already set to go with his sitter. She'll pick him up tonight. Your girl is leaving in the next 24 hours. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up, hang this stuff up. Let's do the nails. Let's get our day. Let's go. All right, guys, I brought out my bin full of like bikinis and stuff. Hi, Harlem. I am laying out everything on my bed that I'm packing. I'm trying to not overpack here. Yes, tell the girls hey. You wanna tell the girls hey? Mommy got a lot of stuff on the bed, Harlem. Now you know that. Mommy got to pack. Mommy not gonna be gone that long. Harlem. Mommy won't be gone that long. Promise. Promise. Okay? Okay, so let's tell the girls what we got packing here. Okay? So I have these cute little outfits that can just be thrown on. It's just a pair of like leggings with a matching top and a little sweater. I have that in this, what color would this be? This is, it's not pink, it's not nude, it's not coral. I don't know what color this is. Harlem, you're in the way, sir. This blue color looks really pretty and this green looks really pretty. Also have some workout outfits that I'm going to need while I'm there. I did bring like this little dress with this clear little bag that I thought was cute, which could be like a nighttime look. And I think I'm just gonna bring a pair of shoes and sandals. I'm not buying any new bikinis. I have so many bikinis, so I think this is a new one that I'm gonna wear, but all the other ones are gonna be like, you know, ones that I have in my closet. Like I didn't actually get to wear this out. Hopefully I'll be able to go see the pigs where I'm at. But this is what we have. I think it might be raining where we're going, so I don't want to overpack. I'm about to get out my weekender tote. I'm really about to see like, am I capable of packing for 3 days, 3 to 4 days in my tote. Oh, it's all the way up here. Harlem, do you know you're about to go to the sitter? Do you know? Do you know mommy packing your bag? You know that mommy's packing your bag? So I am packing Harlem's bag. He knows that I'm doing this. This is his blankie. I have some of his favorite toys, pee-pee pads. He does 1 pee-pee pad a day. So I have pee-pee pads. I have his food laid out. He eats 1 scoop of this and then 1 scoop of this. He has that 1 time a day. I do have his favorite treats, so I'll give him like 1 of these in the daytime, and then maybe at nighttime I'll give him 1 of these. And that is Harlem's overnight bag, right baby? That's your overnight? Hello?
Hello, this is the concierge desk. Your dog walker is here. Not a problem. Take care.
Bye-bye. Harlem, you ready to go? You ready to go? All right, Harlem is gone. I am having a little dinner and then I'm about to get my hair done. So my hairstylist is about to come to the house and fix your girl up. I think I'm gonna do a bob for this trip. I just have lots of different hair pieces laid out. I even have a frontal that I haven't used, the whole bundle that I haven't used. So we'll figure out what my hair is gonna be. I'm gonna eat really quickly. I went to a Foot Locker because I needed some sneakers. You guys know I'm not a sneaker person. Let's just say that, not, and have never been. But I went to Nike because I needed a sneaker to go with my workout outfit. So the first pair of sneakers I got are Air Vapor Max 2020. I don't even know the names to these things, but they're a simple color. It does have like purple and stuff on it, but I wanted to stick with getting like cream and white and black kind of shoes, just because we're starting with nothing. Like I'm literally looking at my entire shoe collection in my closet. They're right there. I don't have that many shoes. I see some Converses and I don't want to wear Converses, so yeah, I got these ones. I had some, I'm gonna say this all wrong, Huarache, there we go. I had some Huaraches and I actually got them in the wrong size. So I have Huaraches here somewhere, but they're too small for my foot. And I actually think I have them in cream, not white. But I got some in white, you know, just a sneaker to throw on with sweats or anything. And the last pair of shoes that I got are the, they just say W Nike Break. So I wouldn't know, but I thought these are really cute. Now these ones are not for just working out and just throwing on. I was like, okay, this is an actual shoe that I can have in my collection that's actually really cute. I love the Nike chain on it. So I thought this looked like a really cute fashion shoe when I want to spice up like any type of sweats or anything. It's a color that I don't have a lot in my closet, but I really like them. I like the gold chain, so I got them. Okay, so I need to eat. There we go. I need to eat, and then I need to start taking off my frontal.